Guys, Caden back with another video. So, come on. That was not first palm, that was... So, guys, I'm recording right now and people are here to see me. Because I'm recording. So, guys, Edward Joes. So Edward Jones is here, and almost everybody's Dad, when you get here. I spelled that wrong. Oops.
It's Battle Fortnite update.
Huh?
Battle Fortnite update.
Nope.
Well, I win automatically.
Rain down like
Bang!
hey, wake me up, believer. So guys, if you want to do it like this, if you want to have it like that, dang it, I wish I could zoom in, but if you want it like that, you do /me, and then whatever you want. You're like /me,
Hi. /me hi.
are you here yet? Awesome. Okay, that guy's just doing nothing. I don't know why. Wait. I'll be in the Pokemon Center for just a sec. Wake me up, believer. Believer. Also, guys, if you want to join my games when I'm playing, then just type in the name King Caden 1010, and you will get to be my friend because I have 180 something, I think, friends, but we'll check. We'll check. Yes, sir. I can tell why.
Why?
It's about the poor outside.
Your business.
I have 192. So y'all better hurry up.
If you want to play the new update on...
Nope. No.
If you want to play the
No.
on Roblox...
No.
Something.
No, make your own video.
So guys,
No.
if you want to play...
Not now.
Boys!
Not now.
So guys, if you want to play the new update on Roblox of Fortnite, it's just type in Fortnite in games, and you'll be on... And I'll be on there until like 8:30.
Where are you? So guys, yeah, my friend Henry's coming in just a sec. Nice. Dang it.
Are you here, awesome?
No? I need your defense to go down, not up.
Why?
It makes it harder for him to die. See. What about brick break? Because that might be like enough to, yeah. Because he boosted his defense and it's just like a brick. So I go brick break.
Yeah, that's like the stupidest move out of the whole game.
Bro, he got the black one. I got the
What black one?
blue hoverboard.
Um,
Will I go up these stairs?
oh, you got a black one.
Okay. I don't like when that happens.
You're supposed to be in grass, dude.
No, I don't have to. Wait.
Boys, I'll be quiet. I'm gonna lay down a little bit.
Yes, sir.
No,
Can you just put Midas in his crate?
no.
Yes, sir. Oh, shush. Oh, okay. Thank you. Believer. Because that old dog needs some rest.
No, he doesn't. He's an old owner, dude. You know, I have some sausage somewhere on that game.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, it's still on.
No, he isn't.
rain down, it rain. There's Henry. And there's this other guy.
Awesome Sausage 37 is Caden's friend Henry. And King Ethan 10 is his brother, which I'll accept any friend request.
No, you won't. You barely even check. Yeah, what's up? Here's the squad.
So remember,
Henry just says,
friend.
sup, YouTube.
So just friend. King Ethan 10.
No.
I accept every friend request as except they're gone. Unless I can't accept them anymore.
Don't. He doesn't even check his friends.
Yes, I do.
Then how many friends do you have?
1.
One?
Yeah. No, I have more friends than that. Shit. The ones comment me, the one that just friended me is 1. Which I will accept anybody that I know isn't my friends, like Caden. Makes me want to disline with him. Because he's a stupid butt.
Yes.
That's true. So never become his friend. He's a butt. He's a pain in the butt.
The one and the master of mercy, yep. Master of mercy, yep. Looking from the heart, next stage from the day, next stage from the believer, 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 believer. Make me a believer, believer.
Yeah, this avatar looks so ugly.
I'm gonna beat you up.
Yeah, kidding. So he just got like the guy that scammed me. Yeah, remember the guy that scammed me?
Yeah.
I scammed him back.
Sure you did.
Yeah, I scammed him real good.
Alright guys, let's battle!
I gave him a level 1 versus a level 9. He gave me all my Pokemon back versus with his own Eevee that he thought I leveled up.
Oh! Oh my god.
Oh my god, I keep missing. I'm in a band. Who are they losing?
Alright. God dang it. So the max level is 90. I thought you could go to 100.
No, you can go over 90. So I saw someone with the 177 Pokemon level. Okay, look where I am. Yeah, can you want to see how much Pokemon I have?
4.
But this doesn't no fly. I need him to learn fly.
Come on.
Come along, see where you're going. Into
Come on.
Twist.